Alpine Android GPS big screen player. For steering control setting, okay, common, go down, scroll down, key learning, okay, the third one, steering wheel key learns. Okay, you have to clear all. Okay, so now you press for the volume plus and long press from your steering control button. Long press. After set, color will change. Okay, the next step, volume minus, then you long press again from your steering control button, volume minus. After you set all, you have to click save. You click save for save it. Okay, this is steering control setting. Key study. This is for left hand side button setting. Okay, clear. Okay, for home, long press, we change color. Okay, volume plus, volume minus, back. Okay, this is, you can set for the power or you want set for the mute. Okay, after you set all, click for save. Learning success. Okay. Press the back button first. Okay. Okay, so this is Alpine Android GPS big screen player for steering control setting and left hand side button key learning. Thank you.